Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to discuss about Bitcoin mining and how long will it stay profitable. So current reward for one mined block is 12.5 Bitcoin with halving expected in 2020. So then reward for one mined block will be 6.25 Bitcoins. And we have about 100 more years of mining Bitcoin until we mine all 21 million coins. But what will happen then? What will happen when Bitcoin mining stops and the only way that you can make money is by processing transactions? I know it's kinda a long way to go, 100 years in the future, but if we really want that technology to stay with us in the future for hundreds and hundreds of years, we have to think about what will happen next. And even if Bitcoin price falls to $100 from almost $8,000 now, we will still see profit mining. Because as you can see right here, this is a Bitcoin difficulty graph. About 5 months ago, difficulty was 860 petahashes, and now it's 1,452,000,000 petahashes. And you can see right here that every 2 weeks difficulty balances out. And sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down, depending on the amount of miners that are currently mining and the whole network mining power. So if Bitcoin price would go down to $100 and the amount of miners would stay the same, you would see almost no profits. Actually, you would see yourself losing money on the electricity cost. And the thing that would happen if Bitcoin would fall to $100 right now, amount of miners would also go down the same amount as Bitcoin price would go down. And everything would stabilize in about 2 weeks with all of the miners seeing profit again, because there would be no way that you could make money with actually mining Bitcoin, and the only way that you would make money is by processing transactions. And if you look at it that way, it doesn't matter what's the value of Bitcoin. The only thing that matters is that we still have transactions happening all the time. And as long as we have transactions happening, mining will always stay profitable. It can't happen that everyone will be losing money. That never happened before, and it won't happen now. Because when you see profits going down and people start losing money, people stop mining. And as people stop mining, profits go up. And everything will stabilize every 2 weeks. So you don't have to worry about making profits. Because as long as Bitcoin is with us and it isn't hacked or anything like that, or market crashes to 1 cent, you will always be making money. So investing in mining hardware is maybe the best thing that you can do right now. But if you invested in mining hardware 1 year ago and you sold all of your Bitcoins each week or each month, you made less money than just by holding Bitcoin. Because in the last year, Bitcoin went up 10 times, and if you just sold all of your mining profits each month, you would make only about double. So there are 2 ways that you can go with mining. One way is to play safe and sell your Bitcoins each month, and you will actually eventually make profits. But if you want to hold Bitcoin for a long term, then maybe it's not a good idea, because of course there's a chance that you will make 10 times, 20 times, 50 times more profits than you invested, but it's not sure. But if you want to go on a sure way, you can just sell a Bitcoin each week or each month, and you will always be making profits. And you will always be making profits because of one thing. If you go to bottomine.com, there are actually dozens and dozens of cryptocurrencies that you can currently mine. And if you take a look at one of most popular graphics cards right now, GTX 160, you can see that almost all of them are profitable, with Ethereum at number 1 with $1.24 profitability per day. But you actually mine $1.45, but you have to pay 20 cents for electricity. And as we go down, you can see our profits are also going down, with only the last 3 cryptocurrencies right here at the bottom that are not profitable currently. So if, let's say, even the first 10 currencies crash right here on the first page, there will always be another ones to mine. And you can actually never lose money. As long as you keep selling all of your Bitcoins from week on to week on, you will never lose money. I know it's kind of a strange thing to hear right now, but investing in mining hardware might be the best thing right now. But we're currently in, let's call it, a bubble, when price goes up 20 or 30% in one day and then crashes 20 or 30% the other day. So we still have a few years for the market to stabilize, and once that happens, there will be a lot more miners in the world. And when more people start using Bitcoin, there won't be just a few people that can control the price of whole Bitcoin with investing few $1 billion and then selling few $1 billion worth of Bitcoin and crashing it day after. So once that happens, once market stabilizes and we go from 1% of people even knowing what Bitcoin is to maybe 2, 3, or 10% of people knowing how to use Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is, you will see mining profitability stabilize and you will be probably making money for years on and years on without losing a single cent. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know what do you think, how long mining will stay profitable, and if I'm right or if I'm wrong. But I really think that mining will be with us for maybe 100 more years, probably until quantum computers happen and they mine all the Bitcoin and all the currencies at the same time. But if they update cryptocurrencies to fight quantum computers like already some of them did, we're gonna see them staying profitable to mine with GPUs and maybe even CPUs. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and see you soon in another video.